After being on the road nearly 3 months, we finally decided to pull the trigger and get a washer and dryer. Here's why. If you RV full-time, or at least half the year, we think it's probably best you go ahead and make that investment and get that dang washer. Now disclaimer, if you're new to the RV world, some RVs come with their own in-house laundry, and others, like ours, come with a prep for it, which means you have the cabinet space and hookups ready. You just need to buy the washer and dryer. When Jess and I initially got started, we had a washer, but it wouldn't fit through the bedroom door where the laundry hookups are, and had to return it. And we eventually decided, well, how bad could it be to skimp on the washer? Turns out, laundromats aren't as cheap as we thought, and it's starting to add up. And now Jess and I are thinking, we might as well go ahead and bite the bullet, head on over to Camping World and pick one out. Hopefully, they have one. And only 2.5 months in, we have already spent nearly $300 to $400 just in laundromat fees. And the highest we've spent around $15 per load, and the lowest that we've spent is around $1.75 a load. So we have seen a wide range of laundromat costs, and our next stay is in California, which, from what we hear in the RV community, everything is just insanely overpriced. So what you think?
Yeah, gonna have to take it. It's a little bit bigger than what I thought.
Think so?
A little bit.
A little bit.
A little bit.
Could you seen it, like all the laundry just swishing around in there?
Yeah.
And you go.
That was.
Jess, you just got your washer and dryer. How you feel?
I feel good.
Feel good? Yep. One of these right here. One of these.
Yeah, I'll make sure. Yeah.
So we got the washer strapped in on the back, and hopefully it fits through the door. So my second biggest reason on why you probably should go ahead and grab a washer is convenience. Now, whether you plan on traveling around the States using a campground membership or boondocking a good bit, there's gonna be a time where the campground itself doesn't have a laundry facility, nor will you find a laundromat near where you're staying at when you're boondocking. And Jess and I have gone 2 weeks at a time without doing laundry before, and the clothes add up fairly quickly. Another small convenience is not having to make the trip to and from laundromats, whether that be on site or having to make that drive in between loads. Alright, so we got it in the bedroom, and it's got to go back there, slide behind that door right there, so. Last little push. It was a little beast trying to get it back there, but it's in. And the washer we went with is a splendid ventless combo washer dryer setup, and I can't wait to use it. It has good reviews for the most part, I would say. And what system do you currently use? Comment down below and let us know what system you currently use, and if there's any advice that you can give us newbies. And so I hope this helped out in your decision making process, and if it did, feel free to give a thumbs up to the video and give a subscribe to keep up with this crazy little journey we call the RV life. We'll see you in the next adventure. Peace out, much love, take care.